Hi, my name is Miss Blake, and I'll be talking to you about finding the percent of increase. Well, the percent of increase is equal to the amount of increase over the original amount. Well, the reason we need to find out what the percent of increase is say you're at a gas station, and usually it takes about $27 to fill up your tank. But this week it's $43, and you want to find out what that increase is, what the percent of that increase is. Well, you take the amount of increase, which is the difference between the two numbers, over your original amount, which is the number you started with. Let's go ahead and take a look at our examples. We're going to find the percent of increase from 8 to 15 and from 27 to 43. The first one we're going to do is find that amount of change, which again is the difference between the two numbers. Then we're going to substitute the values into the ratio. The ratio here is the amount of increase over the original amount. Then we divide, and then we're going to write the decimal as a percent. So say your answer comes out 0.25. Well, in order to turn it into a percent, what you're doing is you're multiplying it by 100, because percent means parts per 100. So you just move that decimal place over 2 places to the right, giving you 25%. Alright, let's go ahead and start with number 1. We're going to first find that amount of change. So from 8 to 15, we have 15 minus 8, which gives us 7. Now I substitute those values into the ratio, which is 7 over 8. And now we have a division problem. So we're going to have 7 divided by 8, which gives us 0.875. And now we're going to write that decimal as a percent, so we move that over 2 places to the right, giving us 87.5%. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 2. Now we're going to take the difference between the two numbers. So the amount of change, which is 43 minus 27, which gives us 16. Now we substitute those values into the ratio. Our amount of increase is 16 over our original amount, which is 27. Now we've got our division problem. We have 16 divided by 27, which gives us 0.593. And now let's go ahead and write that in as a percent. You move it over 2 places to the right, giving us 59.3%. Okay, you should be ready to start finding the percent of increase on your own. What you're doing, again, is you're taking the percent of increase equal to the amount of increase, which is the difference between the two numbers, over your original amount. I'm sure you'll do great.